Hello, welcome to another Black History Moment, reading from Black Saga. Rice Revolution in South Carolina. In 1694, rice, introduced from Madagascar, became commercially successful in South Carolina. Slaves from Madagascar and other rice-growing areas of Africa, such as the Gambia River Valley, brought about the adoption of this crop in the low-lying areas where the climate and conditions were suitable for production. Rice soon revolutionized South Carolina's agriculture, which had previously experimented unsuccessfully with almost every major cash crop: cotton, silk, tobacco, indigo, sugarcane, and ginger, and had attempted to produce wine. In 1700, South Carolina had one of the most diversified colonial economies, but from that time on, a single crop, rice, increasingly dominated the economy. The colony exported about 100,000 pounds of rice in 1700, 1.5 million pounds in 1710, 6 million pounds in 1720, and 20 million pounds in 1730. Much of the colony's rice was produced in the Low Country, where slaves were heavily concentrated. It is estimated that by 1761, rice accounted for 60% of all exports of the region. By the eve of the American Revolution, South Carolina and Georgia, the primary producers, exported more than 65 million pounds annually. Rice, like tobacco, is a labor-intensive crop. In order to maximize profits and the use of labor, rice was grown by using a task system. Gangs of slaves cleared swampland of cypress, gum trees, and undergrowth. Then an outside bank or levee was constructed around the field, made by piling up mud and dirt obtained by digging a ditch about 5 feet deep and wide. The ditch later served as a canal for the flatboats used during harvesting. Every effort was made to keep salt water out of the fields during floods because it would damage the soil inside the levee. Fields ranging from 10 to 20 acres were subdivided into 1-acre plots to ensure that every acre was flooded and drained properly. A force of 30 or 40 laborers, under the direction of a slave driver, was used to cultivate rice fields ranging in size from 150 to 200 acres. Thank you for listening to this Black History Moment.